In today's video, we'll be discussing the importance of installing paint protection film, PPF, the right way. Many companies offering paint protection film services do not provide paint correction and decontamination. We, however, have traveled to Switzerland and worked with private supercar collections to ensure we perfect the entire process. In this video, we'll demonstrate the scratches typically found on both new and old cars, which result from the soft nature of the paint. We will then prepare a special Italian machine with a correction pad to remove all the contamination and scratches from this new car before applying the PPF. This comprehensive process is essential for creating a lasting bond to the paint surface, as well as ensuring incredible gloss and protection. Our meticulous preparation is what truly sets us apart from the competition. Do not miss out on the opportunity to give your car the ultimate paint protection and treatment it deserves. Visit our website or contact us today to schedule an appointment and experience the difference for yourself.